Hey guys, it's GeekOut everything, and today in this video we're gonna do unboxing and the review of the Flipkart smartbuy headphones. And these headphones are actually pretty budget kind of earphones because they actually comes under rupees 500. They are actually 499 as of now. So yeah, I thought let's do a review, and yeah, here are these. So as you can see, the packaging is just pretty basic. We don't have any kind of fancy stuff. So as you can see here, we at the back we have the pricing information and all the basic information, so nothing much. And as you can see, this is the normal cardboard box that we have over here. And if you want to buy these earphones guys, then I have the link in the description. You can just head over to that link and just buy from that link. It does help the channel. And so yeah, as you can see, these are the headphones. And guys, the first thing first, please don't expect the better or good build quality, because at this price point you will not gonna get that. So yeah, as you can see, in terms of looks, they actually looks much better than my expectations. As you can see, we have this glossy cheap plastic, but yeah, at the back we have this brushed plastic and silver rings that looks pretty good. So yeah, that is actually what it is. And guys, as you can see, the ear cups, the ear cushions are actually looks to be of good quality. So yeah, that is actually what it is. And if we look at the cable quality, then guys, I have to say the cable quality is not the best I've seen, but yeah, it's just an average cable quality. It's not the best because I'm actually giving voiceover after using these headphones for a pretty much time, about 1.5 weeks. And as you can see, this is the little thank you note that we have. And yeah, this is the build quality of the cable. As you can see, it's a flat style cable that we have. We also have the silver plated 3.5mm headphone plug. So yeah, and as you can see, in terms of the build quality, it's just average build quality. So guys, you have to be a little bit careful with this. If you are using these earphones, please don't be that much aggressive or because the build quality is actually not that great, as you can see. So yeah, but if you just use them with little care, then nothing is gonna happen, I'm pretty sure. And ear cushioning is actually pretty good. I really haven't expected this much good the cushioning, because in the Sony that I've done a review earlier, the Sony headphones, that does not have this much good ear cushioning. So yeah, in terms of comfortability, I have to say these will really impress you guys. They're actually really light because of the plastic and all, and the ear cushioning is also really good. So if you want to just do gaming and listen music for pretty long time, then nothing is gonna happen. So guys, now let's just talk about the sound quality of these earphones, because that is the most important part of any headphones or earphones. And guys, this is the part where they really impress you, because yeah, I know in terms of bass, they actually does not have super good bass or anything like that, but yeah, in terms of the sound clarity and if you are listening classical music or any pop music, then the sound of the instruments is actually really good. The background sound of the instrument is actually much highlighted. And yeah, if you know what you're doing, then guys, you can just increase the bass in your phone setting, in your equalization settings, so that will help you to improve the bass. But yeah, all over, I would say, if you are buying these earphones for your personal or your normal use, then these will do a pretty good job. And if you can spend a little bit more, then guys, you can go for the Sony headphones. I linked that earphones also in the description. You can also look at that. So guys, if you're buying these earphones for normal use, then they will do a pretty good job. And yeah, as I've told you, if you do a little bit gaming or listening music for a long time, then nothing is gonna happen. They will do a pretty good job for you. So guys, yeah, that's it for this video now. And if you like this video guys, then please hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do. But guys, if you like this video, then hit the like button and just smash the subscribe button down below. It will really help me. So yeah, goodbye, see you later.